Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the physical card. Now reveal the claim code and move fast. Once you sign in, go to Accounts and Lists, then Gift Cards, and pick Redeem a Gift Card. Type the exact claim code you found. Make sure characters match, because O versus 0 can trip you up. Entering this redeems the value to your Amazon gift card balance. Once done, confirm the new balance on the gift card page so you can use it to create a new e-gift later. Now you'll convert balance into a separate redeem code by purchasing an e-gift. Choose gift cards, pick an e-gift design, and set the amount. This can be the full balance or a portion of it. For delivery, select email and send it to yourself. That ensures Amazon generates a redeemable code tied to the emailed e-gift. At checkout, choose your gift card balance as the payment method. Once purchased, Amazon sends the e-gift email containing the new claim code you can forward or save. Finish by opening the emailed e-gift. You'll find the newly generated claim code inside. Copy it or screenshot it for safekeeping. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder and your Amazon orders right arrow digital orders. Sometimes Amazon displays the code there. If the purchase failed or the balance wasn't applied, make sure the original claim was successful and that you selected gift card balance at checkout. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.